how to get refund on Revolut. So if you want to get refund on your Revolut application, then first you need to open up your Revolut application or launch the Revolut application on your smartphone and make sure that you have logged into your account to access all the features. Now, the second step is to navigate to transactions. Go to your home and select transactions to view your recent purchases and find the transaction for which you want to request a refund. Step 3 is select the transaction. Tap on the specific transaction to open its details. There you will find related to transaction the options, including the option to dispute or request a refund. Look for the request option or refund option and select it. Follow the prompts to provide any necessary details such as the reason for the refund and any supporting information. Fifth step is to submit your request, and once you've filled out all of the required information, you need to review your request and submit it. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your refund request status. So after following these steps, keep an eye on your notifications for updates on your refund. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.